Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can get stretch resolution using NVIDIA Control Panel. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and navigate through your desktop, right click on it, and then you want to click on the NVIDIA Control Panel. If you're using Windows 11, you can just click on the View More Settings, and from there you will be able to see this option. Now, basically, once inside the control panel, you then want to navigate through the change resolution option. From here, just click on the customize button. Now, if you see the customize button grayed out, you can just make sure to disable or enable the custom resolutions. You want to turn off dynamic super resolutions factor from the manage 3D option, which is going to be inside this page right here. So basically inside this setting, you just want to uncheck everything on the DSR factor. From there, click on OK, and it will then turn off the DSR, which is the dynamic super resolution. Let's just go back to the change resolution. And basically after going back to the setting right here, if it's still grayed out, you can just restore the NVIDIA control panel. So just click on the customize button. In here, you then want to ignore all of these settings, click on create custom resolution, and then you want to set your resolution the way you want to. In my case, my stretch resolution is going to be 1280 by 1080 pixels, and my refresh rate is going to be 165 refresh rate. Click on the test button, and from here you will be able to go ahead and see your stretch resolution. Now, if you're having some problems when testing out your resolution, it might be because the current resolution, which is going to be this stretch resolution, might not be compatible with the refresh rate of your monitor. So you can then go ahead and experiment, maybe try lowering your refresh rate into something like 144, 100, 125, or 124, a 75 refresh rate, and basically you can just test this out for your specific monitors. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.